Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys. We're on the Grand Princess today, and we're going to take a little tour of our cabin. Now, we had a balcony cabin when we got on yesterday, but they upgraded us to a mini suite. But you should see that OSHA medallions, I got Janet's OSHA medallion, is unlocking the door for me. So there's some light switches here. This is a mini suite, right? You can see that it's a fairly large cabin. Got a lot of hangers. It's got our suitcases. Has life preservers. Ooh. Has mirrors. Oh, look at my hair. Has shelves. Shelves. Of course, a safe. And another mirror. This is the bathroom, and it's fairly good size. I would swear this toilet is bigger than the one in the balcony cabin. I know the bathtub is because the balcony cabin doesn't have a bathtub. So you got two knobs there. One controls temperature, one controls water flow, and I guess that knob is for bathtub shower head. All cruise ship cabins, I would say, have one of these. A clothesline. Hook it in there. Right? Towels. I think these towels are different too. Big mirror. 3 little shelves, which is exactly what the balcony had. Trash can. Well, I guess you can use that shelf down there. It's got a rubber mat instead of a towel to lay down. Of course, toilet paper, sink. Sink's bigger too. Let's go out here. Has a television. I think those are like 32-inch. I'm not sure. Nightstands with drawers. USB port on each nightstand light. Queen size bed. Big shelves here. In the old days the TV was here. This ship was built in 1998. So that was the days of little TVs. Refrigerator. Desk with a chair. More drawers. Notice the USB port. We put some of our stuff here. We're actually moving ourselves from one cabin to the next. So there's my camera bag. Another television. I think it's the same size. Another remote. Another thermostat. There's a thermostat there on the wall. Notice that the thermostats don't have numbers. You can just say warmer, colder. And they always keep them all the way down. Sometimes I have to turn that up. This section here is the difference between a regular cabin and a mini suite. A regular balcony, the glass door would be right here, pretty much, and you'd only have that much cabin. Of course, the bathroom would be smaller also. But in this one, you have this couch. Now that folds out into a bed, so I don't know how comfortable it's going to be. Anyway, and a big table. And then we can go outside. We're off the coast of Baja California right now, headed to Cabo San Lucas. So these kind of doors, that's how you lock it. And then you lift that up and slide. And this is a bigger balcony than we had on, hi Janet,
Hi.
than we had in the balcony. Plus it has, the chairs are different. It has footstools. There's one under there. Both chairs recline. They did in the balcony too. And then it has a little wooden table and a big wooden table and more chairs. So Janet's happy.
I am.
They upgraded us maybe because our door wasn't working. This door in the other cabin, and the ship is only at 20% capacity, so it's not like they didn't have the rooms. So anyway, ooh, backlighting. There we go. Anyway, this is a mini suite on the Grand Princess. I have to say I like it. I haven't slept in it yet. I don't know where things might go wrong. There is a blow dryer here. The balcony did not have a fancy light like that. It had a bunch of these. So, from the Grand Princess,
Wait, here.
this is me saying Janet wants to show you something. Since it's a mini suite and the room is twice as big, that means it sticks out further on the ship. So if you look up, see, these are deluxe balconies, and then up above are regular balconies. So they can look in and throw stuff at us.
Just wanted you to know.
So, this is Gareth saying, Port Monkey's out. See you in the next port. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're ready. Hi, welcome back. Thank you, thank you. Welcome back to you guys, right? Oh, look at these people. We should be going live, huh? Oh, follow the hearts. Hi. Desk. Welcome. So I have a princess medallion. And so as I approach the door, it unlocks. It says, welcome, Gareth, and has my picture. And I open the door, and then I'm in the cabin.